Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to design elbow. Let's see how to design it. So first we'll take a sketch command, then we'll select the front plane here. Now I am going to define the path for the elbow. For the path, I'll take line with respect of origin and one more line, and we'll specify the distance of line. This line having a distance of 150 mm and this line have a distance of 145 mm. Now I need to make this portion to be around here, so I'll apply fillet command. You'll find sketch fillet. We'll specify the radius value, that is 90, and we'll specify the corner, or we can select line 1 and line 2 and OK. Now we'll do OK and exit here. Now I required a perpendicular plane to this path. For that case, I'll go to features and take a reference geometry. We'll take a plane here. We'll specify the curve and one point and OK. I'll select this plane, click sketch. Now we'll draw two circles to define the cross section. So we'll specify the diameter of cross section 65 and 97. Exit. Now I want to sweep along this path. We'll go to swept boss. We'll specify the profile and the path and do OK. Now I want to create one circular object here. So we'll create one circle on the origin, and I'll take convert entity to take the circle again OK. Now I'll specify the diameter of the circle, that is 225, and exit. Now I'm going to extrude this. For extruding this, we'll specify the distance, downward direction, that is 25. OK. Same thing, I'm going to repeat this side. Select this face, and we are going to sketch one circle and convert entity to take the circle. We'll specify the diameter of circle, that is 225, and exit. Now we'll select the circle and make extrude inner direction, and that is total 20 depth. OK. Now I need to create a rib section for both sides. So we'll select a middle plane, click a sketch icon. Now we'll define the rib sketch. So here I'll make a line and specify along the edge. We'll specify the distances. So I have the horizontal distance is 30 and vertical distance is 40. You can specify this should be coincide, and we will try to coincide over here also. But problem is that this circular faces, so we cannot make it over to coincide this. So we directly exit here. Now we'll take a rib and specify the sketch and click on the arrow to be downward direction, and the total thickness of rib is 10, and we'll do OK. So one side rib is created. I need to create another side. We'll select the same rib and we'll take a mirror tool, and we have to find a plane that is middle of the body. So here I have a right plane. We'll do OK. If plane is not available, first we have to generate a plane, then we have to mirror it. Now same way, I'll take a top plane to make my ribs on the second portion, or like I have the same side, so I'll select this front plane instead of right plane, and I'll create my ribs while specifying on this portion and this portion. We'll specify this to be 25 and this distance to be 25. Exit. We'll select the sketch and we'll go to rib tool. Keep the material downward direction always and do OK. Now again we'll select the rib and we'll go to mirror tool. Again we have to find the plane which is middle at this face. So I have a top plane that is at middle of this part and do OK. Now I need to do some patterns, so I'll select this face, sketch on it, we'll make one circle. So I need to create one portion here that having a PCD. PCD means circle diameter, that is an imaginary circle that we can create, or we can specify the distance of the PCD. Like 185 dia I have, I'll take half of that radius, 92.50, and here the circle diameter is 15. I'll specify that to be horizontal about origin and exit. We'll make one extrude cut and do OK. Now I have to make this circle to be pattern, so we'll take circular pattern, we select the circular face, and now I need to take total 6 holes and do OK. Same way we'll select this face, sketch on it, control it, we'll specify a circle. Let me take this side and we'll specify from the center the same distance, this is 185 divided by 2, that is 92.5, and we'll specify the diameter of circle is 15, and this also will make it horizontal with respect of origin, exit, and we'll make an extrude cut. OK. Now again, okay, here the depth I have to increase it, so it will cut completely that part. Now we'll select this hole, we'll go to circular pattern, we'll specify the direction by selecting faces or edges and total 6 number of items and do OK. So this is how my object, so this is how I have completed this elbow project. Let me hide this plane. Let me add a material to this cast iron. Let's specify some appearance to this model. We'll go to appearance and we'll take some metal. What kind of metal color we want, we'll take that metallic color. Let me take this time a copper metal, polished copper. OK. Let's see a different view of this model. We'll click on this and we'll take 4 views. So here we can see front, top, left, and the isometric view. Let's take back to this into single view. So this is how we have completed elbow.